Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change template on your project in Behance. So first, log into your Behance account with your email. Secondly, go to your profile picture and head over to Behance profile. Here you will get the list of all of your projects on Behance. So click on this setting icon, click on edit to edit the project you want. If this one or this one, just click on edit. After opening your desired projects to edit the thumbnail, just click on settings here and edit cover images. Here you will have the choice to change your thumbnail. So click on plus, choose the image you want here. For example, this one, and click on crop, click on update projects. That's it, guys. Here you successfully updated the thumbnail on your Behance project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.